are pleased to show you the 2018 Ford Fusion. You can have both impressive power and great economy in a Fusion. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, front performance tires, rear performance tires, four-wheel disc brakes, driver illuminated vanity mirror. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.